Imagine starting a small blog to help people pass an architecture exam and then discovering the gold mine of Amazon affiliate marketing. That's what happened to Pat Flynn, who went from being laid off to making over $200,000 per year in passive income through his website, Smart Passive Income. Pat's journey with Amazon affiliate marketing is just one of many success stories that show the incredible potential of this online earning strategy. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets of Amazon affiliate marketing. We'll discuss how it works, why it's an excellent source of passive income in 2023, and the step-by-step process to get you started. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale your current efforts, this video is your roadmap to achieving success with Amazon affiliate marketing. So, let's get started and see how you can follow in the footsteps of affiliate marketing pros like Pat Flynn. Understanding Amazon affiliate marketing. Amazon affiliate marketing is a simple yet powerful way to earn money online. It's all about promoting Amazon products on your website or social media platforms and earning a commission for every purchase made through your unique affiliate links. It's a win-win. Amazon gets more sales, and you get a slice of the profit without the hassle of inventory or customer service. The beauty of starting with Amazon's affiliate program lies in its accessibility. With millions of products to choose from and a trusted brand name, Amazon makes it easy for affiliates to find products that resonate with their audience. Plus, the setup is straightforward, and you can start earning with just a few clicks. But the real allure of Amazon affiliate marketing is the potential for earning and growth. It's not just about making a few extra bucks. It's about building a sustainable source of passive income. With the right strategy, you can scale your earnings from a modest start to a significant income stream. And as your platform grows, so does your earning potential. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-fledged business, Amazon affiliate marketing can be the vehicle to achieve your financial goals. Getting started with Amazon affiliate marketing. Getting started with Amazon affiliate marketing is a straightforward process, and we're here to guide you through every step. First, you'll want to sign up for the Amazon Associates program. It's free, and you can do it right on Amazon's website. Just fill in the necessary details about your website or social media channels, and you're on your way. We'll have a link on how to sign up in the video description. Once your account is set up, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with Amazon's policies for affiliates. These guidelines are designed to ensure a fair and transparent relationship between you, Amazon, and the customers. Pay close attention to the rules about where and how you can share your affiliate links, as well as the types of content that are eligible for commissions. Navigating the Amazon Associates dashboard is your next step. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your affiliate links, track your earnings, and gain insights into what's working well for your audience. Spend some time exploring the dashboard. Look for the product linking tools, which allow you to create custom links to any Amazon product. There's also a reports section where you can see real-time data on clicks, conversions, and your overall earnings. Getting comfortable with these tools is key to managing your affiliate marketing efforts effectively. Finding your niche. When diving into Amazon affiliate marketing, one of the most critical steps is finding your niche. Your niche is more than just a single category of products. It's the foundation of your affiliate marketing strategy. It should be a subject area that not only interests you, but also has a substantial audience looking for recommendations and products. To identify a profitable niche, start by considering your passions and expertise. What topics do you know well? And what can you talk about with authority? From there, you can use strategies like checking Amazon's bestseller lists to see what products are popular and in demand. Look for patterns in customer reviews to understand what people are searching for and what's lacking in the current market. There are also tools designed specifically for niche research. These can help you analyze search volumes, competition levels, and potentially profitability. Some popular options include Google's Keyword Planner and various SEO tools such as SEMrush, that provide insights into what people are searching for online, while tools like Jungle Scout provide insight into what people are actually buying on Amazon. By combining these tools with your knowledge and interests, you can carve out a niche that's both enjoyable for you and valuable for your audience. Selecting products to promote. Selecting the right products to promote is a delicate balance between what resonates with your audience and what earns you the best commissions. It's not just about pushing any item. It's about finding products that you believe in and that you know will bring value to your followers. Start by understanding Amazon's commission structure, which varies by product category. Some items may offer higher percentages, but it's crucial to promote products that align with your niche and content. This alignment builds trust with your audience and increases the likelihood of conversions. To find high-converting products, look for items with a strong track record of sales. Use Amazon's bestseller lists to identify popular products, but also consider the number of reviews and ratings to gauge customer satisfaction. Tools like Camel can help you track price history and sales rank over time, giving you insight into product performance. Remember, the goal is to provide genuine recommendations that serve your audience's needs. By carefully selecting products that you can vouch for, you're not just selling, you're providing a service by curating quality items that your audience will appreciate. Setting up your affiliate presence. Establishing a robust affiliate presence is a pivotal element for triumph in Amazon affiliate marketing. The array of platforms at your disposal is diverse, each offering distinct benefits. Blogs allow for comprehensive reviews and articles. YouTube is perfect for captivating video content, social media platforms enable swift, shareable links, and Shopify opens the door for creating a dedicated storefront. We have free training on how to set up your affiliate presence using Shopify linked in the video description. When crafting content, the primary goal should be to provide value. Whether it's through a thorough blog post, an engaging YouTube video, a striking Instagram post, or a well-designed Shopify store, your content should be both engaging and informative. Aim to not just showcase the products, but also to address any queries your audience might have. This strategy will not only drive affiliate sales, but also cement your reputation as a reliable information source. SEO is an indispensable tool for ensuring your content reaches the intended audience. Utilize keyword research tools to discover the queries of potential buyers and weave these terms into your content. On YouTube, this translates to accurate tags and descriptions. For blogs and Shopify stores, it means optimizing your posts and product pages with relevant keywords without saturating them. On social media, it's about leveraging the right hashtags and engaging with your community to enhance the visibility of your posts. Consistency is the cornerstone of success. Keep your content fresh and updated to retain audience engagement and provide the latest information. By amalgamating valuable content with astute SEO practices, you lay a solid groundwork for your affiliate marketing presence. Driving traffic to your affiliate links. Driving traffic to your affiliate links is the lifeblood of your Amazon affiliate marketing venture. The key to organic traffic lies in creating content that resonates with your audience and solves their problems. This could mean crafting in-depth guides, comparison articles, or informative videos that naturally incorporate your affiliate links. The goal is to provide so much value that your audience is compelled to click through. An often overlooked strategy is building an email list. This isn't just a list of emails. It's a curated community interested in your expertise and recommendations. Use lead magnets like free guides or checklists to encourage signups. Then, nurture this list with regular valuable content and include your affiliate links where appropriate. Note that while you can't include Amazon affiliate links in emails themselves, you can include them in any content you link to in your email. In all of these efforts, tracking is crucial. Use the analytics tools provided by your platform to monitor which strategies are working and which aren't. This data will guide you in refining your approach and investing more effectively in traffic-generating activities. Maximizing conversions. Maximizing conversions in Amazon affiliate marketing is about persuasion and presentation. Writing compelling product reviews and descriptions is an art. It's not just about listing features, it's about telling a story that places the reader in a scenario where they can visualize the benefits of the product in their own lives. Use vivid language and personal anecdotes to make your content relatable and convincing. High-quality visuals and multimedia can significantly enhance this storytelling. Humans are visual creatures, and images, infographics, or videos can often communicate the value of a product more effectively than words alone. Invest in creating or sourcing high-resolution images and engaging multimedia content that showcases the products in action. This not only boosts the perceived value of the products, but also the professionalism of your brand. Creating a sense of urgency can also lead to higher conversion rates. This could be through highlighting limited-time offers, showing stock levels, or providing time-sensitive bonuses. People are often motivated by the fear of missing out, so if they believe they have to act quickly to take advantage of an offer, they're more likely to do so. Leveraging promotions is another key strategy. Amazon often has deals and discounts, and as an affiliate, you can pass these savings on to your audience. Keep an eye on Amazon's promotions, and be ready to update your content to reflect these deals. It's a win-win situation. Your audience gets a discount, and you get a higher chance of a sale. Remember, the goal is to guide the customer through the decision-making process and make the purchase seem like the most natural next step. Every element of your content should be designed with this goal in mind. Scaling your affiliate marketing business. Scaling your Amazon affiliate marketing business is a journey of analysis, diversification, and expansion. Begin by regularly analyzing your performance metrics. Amazon provides detailed reports through the Associates dashboard, which can help you understand which products are selling and which are not. Look for patterns in the data, times of day, types of content, specific products, and use this information to refine your approach. Diversification is your next step. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Expand your affiliate portfolio to include a variety of products that appeal to different segments of your audience. This not only spreads risk, but also increases the potential for sales. Additionally, consider branching out to other affiliate networks to broaden your reach and take advantage of different offerings. Finally, to truly scale up, you need to think bigger. If you've been focusing on content creation, consider hiring writers or content creators to increase your output. If you're driving traffic through SEO, it might be time to delve into paid advertising for a more immediate impact. Look into partnerships with other affiliates or influencers in your niche to cross-promote products. Remember, scaling up means investing in your business. This could be through time, money, or both. But with careful planning and a strategic approach, your efforts can lead to a significant increase in your affiliate income. Keep learning, keep testing, and keep on growing. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Navigating the world of Amazon affiliate marketing is akin to steering through a maze. It's easy to hit a dead end if you're not careful. One of the most common mistakes new affiliate marketers make is choosing the wrong niche. It's tempting to jump into popular categories, but without a genuine interest or knowledge, your content may lack authenticity, which readers can sense. The solution? Select a niche that aligns with your passions and expertise, ensuring your content resonates with your audience. Another pitfall is ignoring SEO best practices. Many affiliates focus solely on content creation without optimizing it for search engines, resulting in great content that no one ever sees. To avoid this, invest time in learning the basics of SEO and apply them to every piece of content that you create. Use relevant keywords, create compelling meta descriptions, and structure your content for readability. Also, beware of the set it and forget it mindset. Affiliate marketing requires ongoing effort. Regularly update your content, keep track of product availability, and stay informed about changes in Amazon's commission structure and terms of service. This proactive approach ensures that your affiliate links remain active and profitable. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of analytics and tracking. Some affiliates don't analyze their traffic and conversion data, missing out on valuable insights. By regularly reviewing your analytics, you can understand what's working, what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. In summary, to avoid the common pitfalls of affiliate marketing, choose your niche wisely, optimize for SEO, stay engaged with your content and affiliate links, and make data-driven decisions. By following these best practices, you'll set yourself on a path to success in the Amazon affiliate marketing world. Conclusion: as we wrap up our journey through the intricacies of Amazon affiliate marketing, let's take a moment to reflect on the steps that we've covered. We began by understanding what affiliate marketing is and how it operates, especially within the vast ecosystem of Amazon. We then navigated through the process of signing up for the Amazon Associates program, selecting a profitable niche, and choosing the right products to promote. We discussed setting up your affiliate presence on various platforms and the importance of SEO in driving traffic to your affiliate links. We explored strategies for maximizing conversions, such as crafting compelling product reviews and utilizing high-quality visuals. And we delved into scaling your business, analyzing performance, and diversifying your affiliate portfolio. But remember, knowledge without action is like a book that's never read. So I encourage you to take the first step today. Start your affiliate marketing journey. Apply the strategies that we've discussed, ask questions, and delve deeper using the resources linked in the video description. If you found value in this video, please show your support by hitting that like button, dropping a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribing to stay updated with the latest strategies in affiliate marketing. And don't forget to share this video with others who might benefit from it. Together, let's unlock the potential of affiliate marketing and pave the way for a successful 2023. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in the world of Amazon affiliate marketing.